Here what I'm doing is just fastening a straight edge to the wall, and here I'm just using a piece of drywall with the factory edge as my line that I'm going to follow. In order to run my saw along the edge here, just as a guide to cutting out my window. And here you can see that I'm just starting to get my cut using this piece of drywall as a nice straight edge, so that'll keep my cut nice and straight in case of it if I don't use it, your cut could drift from the line up or down and causing you to have an uneven cut. And just don't forget to cut all the way right to your corners. Using the same piece of drywall, I'm now fastening it in line with the top of my windowsill, the marks that I had made earlier. Now that you have the top and the bottom of your window opening cut out, you can just run your knife down one side, and then after you have made this cut, you can just push the piece of drywall inwards like I am here, and just finish making your cut down through the drywall completely. Once you have cut all the way through, the sheet will just pop out and you can just push it inside. And now you can just touch up any little bits of drywall that you need to clean up around the edge, and then just do the same with the outside of the window, and then your window will be completely cut out.